In this session, let us understand the meaning of joint products and byproducts. If you take agriculture product industries, chemical process industries, sugar industries and extractive industries, they'll be producing two or more products of equal or unequal importance, and this would happen simultaneously in the course of processing operation of their main product. So in all these industries, the management will be faced with a problem as to how they should value their inventory, how they should price their product, and how income can be determined, and they will have problem in taking decision on matters like whether they should further process their byproduct or joint product after a certain stage. So we can say the problem is actually related to apportioning the common costs which are incurred for various products and aspects other than mere apportionment of cost which are incurred up to the point of separation. Okay, so before taking these problems, let us first define and understand what is a joint product. Okay, so joint product basically represents two or more products which are separated in the course of same processing operation, and usually they require further processing. Okay, so I repeat, joint product represents two or more products separated in the course of same processing operation, usually requiring further processing, and each product being in such proportion that no single product can be designated as a major product. Okay, so in joint products you are going to have two or more products and you cannot say which product is the major product or main product. So if I put it in other words, we can say it is two or more products of equal importance which are produced simultaneously from the same process, and each product having significant relative sale value. Okay, so we cannot say which is the major product, and each of the products are going to have significant sale value. For example, if you take oil industry, then we'll have products like gasoline, fuel oil, lubricants, paraffin, coal tar, then asphalt, kerosene. Okay, all these are produced from crude petroleum, so we can say these as joint products. In this process, let us also understand what is co-products. Joint products and co-products are used very synonymously in common parlance, but strictly speaking, there is a distinction between these two, that is joint product and co-product. We can define co-product as two or more products which are contemporary in nature and they do not emerge necessarily from the same material or in the same process. So I repeat, co-products can be defined as two or more products which are contemporary, but they do not emerge necessarily from the same material in the same process. For example, if you take wheat and gram, they are produced in two separate forms with separate processing of cultivation, so they are called as co-products. Similarly, if you take timber boards, they can be made from different trees and they are co-products. Let's now move on to understand what is byproducts. Okay, we can define byproducts as the products which are recovered from materials which are discarded in the main process, or the materials which are created from the discarded materials of production of some major products. So products which are recovered from material discarded in a main process or from production of some major products where material value is considered at the time of severance from the main product. So here the byproduct is going to emerge as a result of processing operation of another product, or we can say it is produced from the scrap or waste of materials of a process. So in short, byproduct can be a secondary or a subsidiary product which is going to arise or which is emanated as a result of say manufacture of the main product. The point at which the byproduct or say the byproducts are separated from the main product is known as a split off point, and the expenses of processing are going to be joint till that split off point. If you take some examples for byproduct, it can be, say, molasses in the manufacture of sugar. Then we can have tar, ammonia and benzol, which are obtained in carbonization of coal, and you can also have glycerin obtained in the manufacture of soap. Okay, and let's conclude this introductory session with understanding the distinction between the joint product and byproduct. The main point of distinction could be: number one, the joint products are products of equal importance, whereas byproducts are of say small economic value. Joint products are produced simultaneously, but the byproducts are produced incidentally in addition to the main products.